Hello everyone, if you want to know how you can create an account on EA, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an EA account easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to go on to ea.com, and then you're going to come here and you're going to click onto this icon. You're going to click onto create account here, and after that you're going to select your country or region. After that you're going to select your date of birth. You're going to select next on here then, and then you're going to put in your email address. And after you put in your email address, you're going to put in your EID. So this will be your username that your friends can use to find your account. And then you're going to put in your account's password. Make sure that your password follows these rules. So it should have more than 8 characters, a lowercase and an uppercase letter, and also one number. And after that, you're going to put in the captcha. And then you're going to click next on here. And then you're going to tick all three of these check boxes. Click create account then, and then you'll receive a verification code on your email address. So just log in your email address, put in the verification code on here, and once you click on next on here, then you'll have successfully created your EA account. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to create an account on EA. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.